Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna bake imitation crab meat and shrimp. Imitation crab meat and shrimp toast. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need cheese, butter, shrimp, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of parsley, basil, on garlic, and then onion powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and we have spring onions, and we have half a cup of mayonnaise, and we have the crab stick. Okay, to start. Okay, and then the sliced bread also. Okay, I'm gonna chop this one first. Chopping. Okay, I'm done chopping, and the next is the shrimp. Okay, the shrimp, I clean it up and then the vein also. Look at, it's very clean. Okay, the shrimp. Okay, we're gonna wash this imitation crab stick. Okay, so then we're gonna put butter, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of butter, melted butter, and then I add half a teaspoon of black pepper, basil, parsley, onion powder, and garlic powder. Spring onions, and then half a cup of cheese. And then mayonnaise, guys. Half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm gonna taste, even if it's wrong. I try to taste. It's yummy. I'm gonna mayonnaise. Okay, a tablespoon of mayonnaise. I add a little bit. Okay, that's good. So we're gonna use this sliced bread. Okay. For 5. Okay, we need some more croutons, the edge of the sliced bread. Okay guys, and now this is it. So guys, so this is our filling. Okay, so we're gonna put like this. That. Okay guys, so this one, okay, I only put 4, so we're gonna put this one in the oven for 375 degrees, 15 to 20 minutes, okay? Okay guys, so that's it. Okay, that's it guys. It's done. Look at that one. It's super yummy. Pakita. Wait a second. Guys, look at that one. Our crab imitation crab meat or steak and shrimp toast. Okay? So, now it's tasting time. Okay? I'm gonna taste this one. It's crunchy. It's crunchy, guys. It's yummy guys because of the shrimp, the crab's meat or steak, and then the cheese is the spring onion and all the spices. Oh, it's super yummy. It's yummy guys. It's good for snacks, appetizer. And you can have also if you want to have a dinner like this, because you know dinner we're not going to eat so much anymore, so that's good also. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Bro Ja, to my Instagram, The_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Look at that's yummy. Look at that one, the cheese, the crab meat, and the shrimp.